Today I'm turning blocks of steel that look like this into parts that like this. Using this vise with a customized set of jaws to be able to hold them in this. This is the ball nose end mill. Ripping off that 45-degree angle along the back ridge of this thing. So now I've got to put a slot on here as per this drawing here. I've got a plane. Stick it up here. Plunging out the slot with a 10mm end mill, 32 thou step over a little row of dots. Quarter-inch steps down, finishing the slot. 11mm slot, 10mm end mill. Also have to finish this end bit, take the radiuses out, make square shoulders.